nature in my backyard. Bye. Hi, it's me. Oh, hey, those aren't supposed to be in the pictures. Please ignore all the houses if you can. Ah. Bubbles. You. Well, here's a special from nature in my backyard from my iPod. From nature in my iPod. Sorry, bloopers. Okay, there will be bloopers throughout this show while you watch it. Thank you very much. Well, my favorite part about nature is that when I'm in the country, it's dead silent. Like my dog sniffing. There's some more. Shh, 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 shh. I'm doing yoga right now, outside, on a blanket. And I have the coolest mom ever. Like, she's the coolest mom ever because, well, 1, she let me buy a bunch of apps. 2, she lets me play with her iTouch. 3, she lets me get out of doing chores. So I have to do the dishes tomorrow instead of today. Because I really don't feel good. But I'm doing yoga because I feel like, because it's outdoors. And, oh yeah, as I was saying, I love the country because it's so quiet. And all it is nature around you. My grandma and grandpa live in the nature. And Shmara, I think he's about to puke. Don't look.